Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 23. So let us begin with question number 1 of lecture number 23. So we are continuing with puzzles. I hope you are all doing the questions as per the schedule provided to you, and you were learning from all these questions the tricks, how to approach the problem, and filling all your gap areas. So beginning with question number 1, the question number 1 asks, which one of the following statement is true? Now given three statements to you, three statements are these. We need to find which one is true from these four statements. Let us read the first statement. It says, a man had a wife. Man had a wife and two sons. Son 1, son 2, and two daughters, D1, D2. The daughters were invited to a feast. Remember, they were invited. Whether they went or not went is not mentioned here. So D1 and D2 were invited for a feast, and the male members of the family went out to take part in the picnic. They all went out of the house. Suppose this black rectangle here is the periphery of the house. Now all these people went out of the house for picnic. Now this D1 and D2, there can be a case where both of them went out for the feast. There can be a case where any one of them went out for the feast. Since they are invited, anything can happen. Both can go to the feast. दोनों जा सकते हैं और उसी में से कोई एक भी जा सकती है, right? The third statement says the man's father did not return from home from his work. Sorry, did not return to home from his work. Man's father here, father is outside of the house because it's still in the workplace. Clear? The question says which one of the following statement is true? Only the man's wife was left at home. Is it sure? Only the man's wife was left at home. It may be or it may not be. If both D1 and D2, since these people are out of the house, we are not considering them. Now, for the part of D1 and D2, agar वो दोनों daughters बाहर है, then the wife is at home. If any one of the daughter is at home, अगर उन्हीं दो daughters में से कोई एक घर में है, then only the wife is not at home. It can be the wife and it can be the daughter. So you cannot conclude that only the man's wife is at home. So this statement stands wrong. It is likely, हो सकता है ऐसा, that the man's wife was left at home. Yes, it's likely man's wife is at home. So this is the correct statement as of now. None was left at home. ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता because wife की बात नहीं हो रही and wife is at home. So this is wrong. More than one person was left at home. It can happen, but it's not sure. अगर D1 and D2 ऐसे दोनों feast में नहीं गए हैं, so it can be wife 1, D1, D2 at home. It can be wife 1, D1 at home. It can be wife 1, D2 at home. In this case, these are more than one. But if dono D1 and D2 are out for the feast, then there can be a case where W1 is only at home. Clear? So it is not sure that more than one person was left at home. So this is wrong. So out of these four statements, the most likely correct statement is B. We'll go with that. Clear? So I hope you have understood this problem. Let us proceed to the next question. Coming to question number 2, it has asked you which one of the following statement again is true. Logical statements are given to you. We have to predict which one of this is true. Two men, Anil and David, and two women, Shabnam and Rekha, male, woman. Now, only two speak Tamil, and only other two speak Marathi. So Tamil is spoken by two and Marathi is spoken by two. Now, only one man and one woman can drive a car. Only one man and one woman can drive a car. Sabnam speaks Marathi. Sabnam speaks Marathi. And Anil speaks Tamil. Clear? Now, out of this D and R, only one will speak Tamil now, and only other one will speak Marathi. Anil speaks Tamil ho gaya. Both Rekha and David can drive. Both Rekha and David, they both can drive. Now let us conclude. Both the Tamil speaker can drive a car? नहीं. क्यों? इस दोनों तो तमिल नहीं होंगे. इसमें से कोई एक तमिल होगा और एक मराठी होगा. Both the Marathi speakers can drive a car? नहीं. Since this was rejected, this is also rejected. Both of those who drive a car can, both of them can speak Marathi. इसका इसी का ही conclusive मतलब similar statement है. So both who drive the car are not speaking Marathi. Out of them, one is speaking Tamil. This is wrong. So your answer will be D. One of those who can drive a car speaks Tamil. Clear? I hope it is an easy question. Question number 2. We are done with this. Proceed to the next problem. Coming to question number 3. A society consists of only two types of people. Fighters and cowards. Again, it has asked you which of them is correct. Two cards are always friend. C equals to C, friends. A fighter and coward are always enemies. Fighter and coward are always enemies. Fighters are indifferent to one another. Indifferent to one another. If A and B are enemies, so that means out of these A and B, what will happen? It can be F or C or C or F because they are enemy. One of them would be a fighter and the other one would be a coward, right? C and D are friends. So that means C and D are friend means both are cowards. E and F are indifferent to each other. E and F are indifferent to each other. That means both are fighters. A and E are not enemies. Now, if A and E are not enemies, that means they are indifferent. So can I say A will be F fighter while B and F are enemies. B and F are enemies. That means B and C are coward. So you can also see A and B are enemies because one is fighter and the other one is coward. So this condition is also satisfied. Got it? Proceed to the statements. B, C, F are cowards. B, C, F are cowards. Nowhere it is mentioned that B, C, F are cowards because it is coward, coward and fighter. A, E, F are fighters. A, E, F are fighters. F, F, F. Clear? So this is the correct statement. B is the correct answer. Got it? Coming to question number 4. In the light of the above facts, it can be said that the cause of sickness was what? Which item caused sickness when these people consumed the item? B and C fell sick. If B and C fell sick, that means the item consumed common to B and C is the reason for their sickness. Let us go to B. B ate grapes, oranges. So that means either grapes or orange can be the answer. Pineapple and apple are eliminated. Now C ate oranges, so oranges can be the answer. Pineapple नहीं होगा, apple भी नहीं होगा. Oranges is common to both, so oranges will be the answer. Got it? Easy. Proceed to the next problem. That is question number 5. Such a big statements, big question. ठीक है? Let us read one by one. 6 boxes A, B, C, D, E, F. When there is such a big question, जिसका length बहुत बड़ा है, do underline them so that you don't miss any statement. नहीं तो high probability है you will skip certain statements. 6 boxes A, B, C, D, E and F have been painted with 6 different colors, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange. So your first inference that you have got from the question is the colors available are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange. Let us go to the second statement. Arranged from left to right, they are arranged from left to right. Sorry. not in that particular order and not in that particular color order also. Each box contains a ball of any one of the following. What are those? Cricket, hockey, tennis, golf, football, volleyball. So we have done till here. Okay. The golf ball is in violet box and is not in the box D. Be very careful. Golf ball is in the violet box and is not in the box D. The box A, which contains a tennis ball, is orange in color and is at extreme right. So we have done till here. Extreme right position goes to A is the box which contains the color, so the tennis ball, and it is of orange color. Clear? Go to the sixth statement. The hockey ball is neither in box D nor in box E. So the hockey ball is not in box D or box E. The box C having cricket ball is painted green. The box C having cricket ball is painted green. Eighth statement. The hockey ball is neither in the box painted blue nor in the box painted yellow. Hockey is neither in box painted blue or yellow. We have done till here. The box C is fifth from the right and next to box B. Box C is fifth from the right, that is R5, and it is next to B. The 10th statement. The box B contains volleyball. B contains volleyball. Clear? The box containing the hockey ball is between the boxes containing the golf ball and volleyball. So the code would be golf, hockey, volley, or volley, hockey, golf. Clear? In any of the case, hockey is between volleyball and the golf ball. Clear? So we have done all the statements. We haven't missed any statement. Now let us arrange them according to the statements or the inferences that we have got. See. The inferences that we have got here, just a minute. See, the first one says color VIVGOY. A is at the extreme right. We have got a statement that A is at the extreme right. Clear? Now, if A is at the extreme right, this one, A is at the extreme right. So, can I place A here? We have to do a arrangement of 6. A is at the extreme right. It contains tennis ball and it is of orange color. So, can I say this is orange and this is tennis? We have cricket, hockey, tennis, golf, football, volleyball. What are the colors available? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange. What are the codes available? A, B, C, D, E, and F. Got it? Now see, A is gone, tennis is gone, orange is gone. Now we have a code here R5, fifth from the right hand side. So this will be C. If C is here, it is next to B, so B has to be here. Anything that you know about C? So we have done this statement also. So C is gone, B is gone. C holds the cricket ball and it is of the color green. Green cricket. Clear? So cricket is completed. Green is done. Clear? So we have done this statement also. One by one we are eliminating. Now you can see here, this is also we have written down, this also we have written down, this also we have done. Okay. Now B contains the volleyball. So B will be volleyball here. B का color हमें पता नहीं है, but this will be volley. If this is volley and this is cricket, B is eliminated, volley is eliminated. Be very careful. Volley is also eliminated. Now see, we have a code here between volley, hockey, and golf. Between golf and volley lies hockey. So if B is volley, we have to have a hockey and a golf here. So the arrangement has to change. This will be A, orange, tennis. We have to place two more places here, but this has to be B, this has to be C. As of now, this is green, this is cricket, this is some color, and this is volley. Now volley और hockey एक साथ होना चाहिए और हॉकी और गल्फ होना चाहिए एक साथ. Then only hockey will be in the middle of gulf and volley. So this has to be gulf and this has to be hockey. Clear? Now गल्फ हमें पता है, हॉकी पता है, गल्फ और वॉली के बीच में है. Now we are sure that gulf is a violet color. So this has to be violet. Gulf is eliminated. Hockey is eliminated. So this has to be football. So football is eliminated. Golf, hockey, volley, cricket, football, and the tennis. So we have done all the games part. Now this is V. This is V, which is the violet. Clear? It is not in D. यहां पे कुछ आएगा और यहां पे कुछ आएगा. देखो, हॉकी डी और ई में नहीं होगा. हॉकी कैनॉट बी इन डी एंड डी. आपके पास देखो बचा है डी एंड ई एंड एफ. अगर हॉकी डी और ई में नहीं है, यहाँ पे लिखा है हॉकी डी और ई के, हॉकी इज नॉट इन डी एंड ई, डी और ई में हॉकी नहीं है, तो हॉकी कहां पे होगा? एफ में होगा. तो दिस विल बी एफ. क्लियर? नाउ वायलेट इज नॉट इन डी. The D is not in the D box is not colored as per the violet color. Clear? तो हमारे पास और क्या बचा? F चला गया, तो ये वाला E होगा और ये वाला D होगा. Got it? Now hockey is not colored blue and yellow. ये वाला स्टेटमेंट भी हो गया, ये वाला स्टेटमेंट भी हो गया, ये वाला स्टेटमेंट भी हो गया. हॉकी इज नॉट कलर्ड ब्लू एंड येलो. हॉकी अगर ब्लू एंड येलो में कलर्ड नहीं है तो वायलेट भी चला गया. वायलेट यहां पे फिक्स्ड है. दिस इज जी, दिस इज ओ. हॉकी इज नॉट कलर्ड इन ब्लू एंड येलो. बचा क्या? इंडिगो. दिस हैज टू बी इंडिगो. ये कलर और ये कलर हमें पता नहीं है. वी कुडंट इन्फर. क्लियर? गॉट इट? नाउ सी द क्वेश्चंस. You can take a screenshot of it or you can note it down and you can conclude the questions. Now see the question. Question says, which one of the following boxes contain the golf ball? See from here, this one. Golf ball is contained in E. So your answer will be E. Coming to the next question. Which of the statements either are correct? D is painted yellow. Check the codes. D is painted yellow. No, we don't have any idea about it. Wrong. F is painted indigo. Correct. Next. The football is in the box of which color? Football is in the box of cannot be determined as the data are inadequate because we have no idea about the color of this one. D and B. डोंट गिव रैंडमली द कोड कि ओके ये वी है ये आई है तो ये बी होगा ये वाई होगा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है सिंस यू डोंट हैव एनी कंक्लूजन or any inferences about it, so we cannot conclude. So your answer will be cannot be determined as data are inadequate. Clear? So now I hope you have understood the question. So we complete the lecture. We'll see you again in the next lecture. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. Take care, everyone. Jai Hind.